We're joined now by Congressman Jim Jordan, Republican from Ohio. Repeat, Ohio. President Trump's in your state tonight.
Sure is.
Yes, he is. If it's a yes vote on health reform, it'll be a celebration. But if it's a no vote, I think you know he'll beat up on the Republican Party something rotten, won't he?
Well, let's hope it's a yes vote. Let's hope we can get this done. Either way, though, I think the folks in Ohio appreciate President Trump. You know, no one would have predicted last year that Ohio was going to go for President Trump by a margin of 8 percentage points. So, you know, folks in our state appreciate the president's approach to draining the swamp and changing things here. So either way, I think they're going to appreciate the president. But let's hope it is a yes vote and more of a celebration tonight while he's in Ohio.
Jim, are you with me yet? I've been saying all along, something...
What do you mean yet?
Something is better than nothing.
Yes.
Anything is better than nothing, so it must be a yes vote today. Are you with me yet?
Yes, and the yet part's getting me because we've been with you for a long time. Remember, when this bill was in the House, we in the Freedom Caucus initially opposed it. We had a vigorous debate. We made it better, and then we all supported it. So that was we had a pretty good bill when it left. It wasn't full repeal, but it was a good step in the right direction. So, yes, we've been with you clear back since May when we passed this thing, and it was the Freedom Caucus who put it over the top in the House. Now we're hoping the same dynamic can take place in the Senate. We can put it on President Trump's desk. He'll sign it. Then we move on to tax reform. Then we move on to the border security wall and all those things that the voters want us to do.
Now, before we leave the subject, I want you to handicap the vote this afternoon. I know it's in the Senate. I know you're in the House. But come on, give me a handicap here. Is it going to be a yes vote?
Yeah, I mean, look, I'm an American, so I'm always optimistic. I think it will be, but we'll have to see, Stuart. You never know. It's the United States Senate, so you never know.
As they say, what not to say in journalism school, only time will tell. We've got a couple of hours, that's all you got.
I didn't say that. I said we'll see. I didn't say only time will tell. You said that.
I would never do that to you, sir. I would never do that. Last one, we had Senator Barrasso with us just a few moments ago. Yesterday, we had the RNC chair with us. Both of them said, we're staying in D.C., nobody goes home till we get something done. You on board with that?
Of course. Where did that start? Where did that whole idea of staying here to do what the people elect us to do what we said we would do? It started with the Freedom Caucus. 7 weeks ago, we took a position. Let's stay here in August let's deal with the debt ceiling issue. Let's have an outline of what we're going to do on tax reform, some more specifics so we can tell the voters over whatever break we do have at some point in August, and let's deal with health care. So let's get those things done. We have been pushing to stay here for weeks now. Of course we should do that. That's what the American people elected us to do.
You know, we're feeling a little more confident here in New York City, and I hope you are down there in the swamp. Thanks for joining us. We appreciate it. We really do. And we're looking for a yes vote, Congressman. We're looking for a yes.
We sure are. We sure are. And hopefully we're going to get that today, Stuart.
Yes, sir. Thanks very much for joining us.
You bet. Take care.